Hey everyone, I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain ATVMC, giving you a closer look at the replacement seat foam from Factory Effex. So if you ask me what are some of the most highly overlooked parts on any dirt bike, well, one of them is probably going to be seat foam. Seat foam is not really something that we as riders think about too often, but you have to remember that over time it does break down, it softens up, but because it happens gradually, it's really just not something that you notice too much. Now, something that can also speed that process up is if you leave your seat on your bike when you wash it. That's why we always recommend taking your seat off when you do that, because when your seat's on, even with the seat cover on there, water can get inside there just like a sponge. Your seat foam absorbs that water, so over time your seat becomes waterlogged, which not only adds weight to the bike, but also does cause your seat foam to break down faster as well. So if you feel like you've had your seat for a long time, that seat foam's getting too soft, maybe your seat is waterlogged and you think it's time to get a new one on there, well, Factory Effex has got you covered. So with their foam, this is a tri-density soft cell foam, and it's a medium to firm is what Factory Effex says. Now, I will say, in my opinion, this seat foam's a little bit more on the firm side, so just something to keep in mind. They have it in two different sizes. You have a regular and a tall version, and the tall version is going to be 1 to 1.5 inches taller, and that depends on the bike that you are riding, so just keep that in mind. But what's nice about this nice quality seat foam is that they say it will last longer and not soften up as quickly as your OEM seat foam, but just remember, you got to take care of it the same that you would any other seat. Now, as far as the install goes, it's actually pretty simple. It comes with instructions, but all you're going to need to do is just take your seat cover off. Once you've done that, you're going to take your seat foam off your seat base, clean up your seat base as best you can. You want to make sure you use some sort of cleaner to clean that off. You can use contact cleaner if you want to. Once you've done that, you're going to take your seat foam. Now, you're going to need to get an adhesive, and they have a few different options that they show you on the instructions, but one of them is one that we've actually used that we really like, which is this 3M Super 77. So pick up an adhesive. You're going to spray the base down, spray the bottom side of the seat cover, and then you're just going to apply it, give it time to let it dry, and then once it's dried, well, you're just going to go ahead and install your seat cover. Now, speaking of seat covers, never a bad idea if you're getting new seat foam on there to freshen it all up, get a seat cover as well. We have a lot to choose from on our website. One of my favorites is the factory seat cover from Attack Graphics. This is the one that I have right now currently on my bike. What's great about it, nice quality, inexpensive, but it has the ribs on there as well, just gives a little bit added grip to the rider on the seat. And all you're gonna do is just install the seat cover and you're good to go. If you've never installed the seat cover, we have a how-to video that shows you step-by-step how to do that. So if you do have any questions, watch that video and you are gonna be good to go. But there it is. That is the replacement seat foam coming from Factory Effex. So again, if your seat foam, it's too soft, you want to get a new one, get things firmer, or maybe yours is waterlogged, you've been washing it too much, it's time to get a new one on there, this is an awesome solution. If you guys have any questions, leave those below. We'll help get those answered. To pick yours up, it is real simple. Just click on the link at the end of this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Get subscribed to our YouTube channel. That way you stay up to date on the latest gear guides, product reviews, and how-to videos that we are constantly filming. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.